Woodworking at home can be a rewarding and profitable venture, especially when tackling small projects that require minimal investment in materials and tools. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of small woodworking project ideas you can create at home for profit. So watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Many hobbyists and aspiring entrepreneurs find that creating smaller items is not only manageable but also allows for creativity and practicality. Here are some ideas for small woodworking projects that you can create at home, potentially generating income while enjoying the process. One of the most popular small woodworking projects is crafting simple wooden furniture items. A straightforward yet highly marketable project is a small stool or bench. These can be made using scrap wood and are relatively easy to construct, appealing to both beginner and more advanced woodworkers. With some basic skills, you can create unique designs, such as a rustic or modern look, and customize them with finishes that match current home decor trends. Selling stools at local craft fairs, flea markets, or even online platforms can yield a good profit margin due to their practicality and demand for unique handmade pieces. Another furniture project to consider is a wooden side table or nightstand. With a small investment, you can use plywood or reclaimed wood to create a stylish and functional piece. These tables can feature different designs, such as minimalist styles or more embellished options with drawers or shelves. Sanding and staining the wood can enhance its appearance and offer additional value. The side tables can be marketed to customers looking for unique pieces that stand out from mass-produced furniture found in stores. Online marketplaces offer a great platform for selling crafted tables, allowing you to reach a broader audience. If you want to create something that can appeal to both children and adults, consider making wooden toys. Small, simple toys, such as building blocks, puzzles, or cars, can be crafted using non-toxic wood finishes to ensure safety. These toys are increasingly sought after by parents who prefer eco-friendly options. Market your wooden toys on social media platforms or local parenting groups, emphasizing the sustainability and durability of your products. By adding personalized options, such as custom engravings or color variations, you can enhance appeal and potentially increase sales. Wooden kitchen items are another excellent avenue for profit. Items such as cutting boards, utensils, and serving trays can be relatively easy to make and are always in demand. Crafting quality cutting boards, especially those made from hardwoods like maple or walnut, can be particularly lucrative. Consider offering customization options, allowing customers to have their family names or personal messages engraved, which adds a personal touch that many customers appreciate. Creating a collection of matching kitchen utensils, such as wooden spoons or spatulas, can also create an appealing product line that encourages sales of multiple items at once. For those seeking a project that combines functionality with aesthetics, consider creating picture frames. From simple designs to more intricate pieces, picture frames can be customized based on size, style, and finish. Engaging in upcycling by utilizing reclaimed or vintage wood can enhance the unique aspect of the frames, appealing to customers interested in sustainability and rustic charm. You can sell these frames individually or as part of a set. The trend of incorporating plants into home decor opens opportunities for woodworking projects like plant stands or shelf units specifically designed for indoor gardens. Wooden plant stands can be created in various styles, from minimalist designs to multi-tiered options for displaying several plants. You can also build unique wall shelves that not only hold plants but can also display decor items, further expanding your potential customers, where they tend to attract customers due to their immediate need and desire for customization. For those with woodworking skills geared towards craftsmanship, creating custom signs can be a fun and profitable venture. Signs for homes, business names, or decorative pieces can be created using various wood types and finishes. Engraved wooden signs attract customers wishing to personalize their space or commemorate a special occasion. Marketing through social media or targeting local businesses can help you find a steady stream of potential clients, especially for customization requests. A simple yet marketable project could be constructing birdhouses or feeders. These items appeal to gardening enthusiasts and individuals interested in attracting wildlife to their yards. Birdhouses can be designed in various styles, from rustic to modern, and you can promote them as eco-friendly garden decorations. Including options for customization, such as name engravings, can add personal touches that attract buyers seeking gifts for nature lovers. Creating wooden puzzles offers both a fun project and a viable market option. Puzzles can be made to cater to children, featuring educational elements, or designed as intricate adult puzzles that challenge the mind. Cutout designs add unique factors to puzzles, making them special gifts. By engaging in local art fairs or promoting online, you can tap into niche markets that appreciate craftsmanship in puzzles. Wall art made from wood is another creative endeavor worth pursuing. You can design and construct various wall hangings, such as wooden geometric shapes or more intricate rural landscapes. These can be marketed toward homeowners looking for unique decor options and can sell well both online and at local art shows. Combine different wood types for a striking visual appeal and offer custom dimensions to cater to various wall spaces. Lastly, consider crafting personalized wooden items based on customer requests, such as custom engraving for weddings, anniversaries, or other special occasions. Items ranging from serving boards to decorative plaques provide a unique touch that buyers often appreciate. Flexibility in design can help you cater to specific market niches, and you can build relationships with customers looking for custom solutions, ensuring repeat business. Engaging in small woodworking projects at home not only allows for the enjoyment of creating art, but also offers avenues for generating income. Each project serves as a means to flex creative muscles, satisfy customer needs, and explore market potential. As you develop skills and gather experience, consider expanding into even more personalized or intricate items, maintaining a balance between creativity and practicality. Be sure to track your expenses and sales to determine profitability, making adjustments as necessary to enhance your woodworking business. With each successful project, you reinforce not only your abilities as a craftsman, but also your potential as a thriving entrepreneur in the woodworking niche. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.